Welcome to Maths with El Profelo, working on some elementary number theory problems, looking at some exam style questions. Here we'll have a couple of videos dealing with congruences, okay? So we want to solve this congruence that 3x is equivalent to 6 modulo 12, right? Now in order to solve these, we always have to check to make sure that these two, right, are divisible, right? So we have to check, right, about 3 and 12, what their greatest common divisor is, and the greatest common divisor of 3 and 12 is 3, right? And that 3 does divide 6, right? So this 3, the greatest common divisor, does divide this residue, right? This 6 remainder. And so that tells us, this implies that we have 3 incongruent solutions. Okay? We have 3 incongruent solutions then. Now, how can we solve this? So in essence, what we're saying is we need to have 3 times some number is going to have a remainder of 6. 3 times some number is going to have a remainder of 6 when put into groups of 12, right? So by inspection, right, looking to keep things simple, we know that x naught equals 2 is a solution, okay? Why is that? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and when I put things into groups of 12, I have a remainder of 6 because can't get 6 into a group of 12. I just have 6 left over. Okay. Now, my other solutions are given by x of I is equal to x naught plus 12 divided by that greatest common divisor of 3 and 12 times I, where I is equal to 0, 1, and 2. Okay? So what does that mean for us? That means for us that, therefore, our solutions are going to be of the form 2 plus 4i, right? Which implies that our solution set is going to be x is equal to 2, 6, and 10. So these are the 3 incongruent solutions to this congruence, right? The 3 times 2 will have a remainder of 6, right? 3 times 6, right? And 3 times 6 is 18. That'll have a remainder of 6 when done in groups of 12. And 3 times 10, right? 3 times 10 is 30, right? I can get 24 into 2 groups of 12, and that would leave me with 6 left over. So this is our solution, right? 2, 6, and 10. Now, it is a particular solution. These are the 3 incongruent solutions, but technically, right, another set of solutions would be 14, 18, and 22, right? That if I go 12 beyond 2, I'm going to have the same remainder. If I go 12 beyond 6, I'll have the same remainder. If I go 12 beyond 10, I'll have the same remainder, right? That I can add these additional groups of 12, and that's not going to change how many I have left over. So we'll look at the next question in the subsequent video, all right? Thank you for taking time to watch Maths with El Profelo.